Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the True Direction Indicator. All right, so it is important to note that the True Direction Oscillator is currently for sale on the MQL5 marketplace for 60 US dollars, as you can see. All right, but we are just going to be using the free demo, to understand how the indicator works. So the True Direction Oscillator, in a bit we're going to be seeing how it functions. All right, okay, so now we're just going to drag and drop, and we're going to test the indicator in order to see how it works. All right, just going to click on start. Okay, all right, here we go. So basically the True Direction Oscillator calculates pure momentum as percent. Okay, so it is used to compare different securities from different markets. All right, we can see that the indicator has a panel here. We have the TDO panel here. All right, and then based on the information we have on the MQL5 marketplace, the panel calculation depends on 5 different periods, okay, to cover a wide range of market cycles, and it can be more effective at catching trends. All right, so now you would also notice that let's just go to the okay, I wanted to access the settings. All right, anyways, since this is a demo version, okay, let's just briefly get back to the MQL5 marketplace. So you're going to see that as for the settings, you can see that there are the colors. Obviously, you can modify the colors, of course, and then you can also see the arrows and alert function, and then of course the panel alert, and then the symbols, buttons. Here, if we head back here, you can actually see show symbols, right? You can see show channel or hide channel, as the case may be. Okay, so you can actually jump across are these for jumping across different time frames now? Okay, anyways, so this panel here, if you want to hide symbols, if you want to show symbols, you can just quickly toggle on and off. And then if you want to hide or show channel, you can quickly toggle on and off. Let's head back to the MQL5 marketplace. And okay, so there are also the grid lines. All right, and then based on what we can see here, it seems like the indicator also has arrows. So the upward blue arrow appearing below candlestick is a buy signal, and then the downward red arrow appearing above the candlestick is a sell signal. All right, so one of the things a trader has to do is to wait for the signal arrow to appear. All right, in addition to this indicator line in the indicator window. Okay, even though I've been waiting for that to show up here, all right, but it seems like the loading has not yet completed. Okay, so you have to watch out for the indicator line, and of course you have to watch out for the appearance of these blue vertical lines, above the zero level. So when you have the appearance of the blue vertical lines above the zero level and the upward blue arrow appears, that's a buy signal. When you have the appearance of these red vertical lines below the zero level and the appearance of the red downward arrow, that's a sell signal. Okay, but always make sure you get confirmations. All right, make sure you get confirmations, and ensure that you are comfortable with this indicator if you want to make any financial commitments. Okay, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.